Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products out there to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the best purple book bin you can find, the Storex small cubby bins. These plastic storage containers are perfect for the classroom, home, or office, and they come in a vibrant purple color that's sure to brighten up any space. If you're looking for something that can handle your organizational needs without cracking under pressure, the Storex small cubby bin has you covered. Made from impact-resistant plastic, these bins are tough enough to withstand the daily wear and tear in busy environments, especially classrooms. They're built to last, which is essential when you need storage options that can stand up to constant use. Measuring 12.2 inches by 7.8 inches by 5.1 inches, this 5-pack is the ideal size for storing all kinds of items. Whether it's books, art supplies, or even children's shoes, these bins fit most items perfectly. Their size is designed to fit into standard classroom furniture, so you don't have to worry about them being too big or too small for your shelves. Plus, the purple color adds a fun pop to any organizational system, making it easy to color code and categorize your supplies. The best part is that the Storex small cubby bins are incredibly versatile. They're not just for classrooms, they're great for organizing craft supplies, office supplies, or even home storage. You can use them in your child's room to keep toys neatly stored or in your own office to tidy up your workspace. The possibilities are endless with these bins, and their durability ensures they'll hold up to whatever you throw at them. If you've been on the hunt for a reliable, durable, and stylish storage solution, the Storex small cubby bins are an excellent choice. With a pack of 5, you get great value for money, and you'll have plenty of storage for all your needs. So, if you're ready to get organized and bring some color into your space, these bins are a fantastic addition. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews from Product Critique.